Welcome. If you're looking to take control over the ads you see on the X app, you've come to the right place. Personalized ads can feel intrusive since they use your activity to tailor ads just for you. But good news, you can easily turn off this feature and see ads that aren't based on your interests. Here's how to do it in a few simple steps. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located at the top corner of the screen. This will open up your profile settings menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a list of options to customize your X experience. From there, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section holds the controls for what data X can use regarding your account and activity. Now, look for Ads Preferences and tap on it. Here, you will find the settings that control how ads are displayed to you on X. Finally, you will see the option for Personalized Ads with a toggle switch. Simply toggle it off to disable personalized ads on your account. Once turned off, X will no longer use your activity data to show you interest-based ads. Instead, you'll still see ads, but they will be generic and not customized based on your browsing or app behavior. Disabling personalized ads can help protect your privacy and give you a less targeted ad experience on X. It's a quick and effective way to regain some control over the content you encounter while scrolling. That's it. By following these easy steps, opening the app, going to your profile, navigating through settings and privacy to privacy and safety, then ads preferences, and toggling off personalized ads, you've successfully disabled targeted advertising on X. Thanks for watching.